I am, so I can do a share screen.
Okay, here we go. 1 second.
And we'll guide you into this thing. Infinity.
Yep.
Okay, so let's see one thing. Now, did you move this? Did you this is about where you left it, right?
Yeah, I didn't add that much.
Okay, so
I anything.
I think what we want to try to do is we want to try to pull from main and merge it with your solution. So let's see if we can do this successfully, okay?
Okay.
So, one thing you need to do is, let's see if we can do let's see if we can do a merge.
Okay.
Well, actually, another thing, hover over your Java file in the left hand side of the projects window to see where it's at. I want to do a backup of your files just in case.
Okay.
Where's your project located? I think it's located under SRC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go there. So go
I'll
to
explore,
computer, C drive, Windows C down there.
Yeah. Oh wait, it's up there.
Okay. No, it's okay. Windows C now.
Windows C.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I'm glad you did join us, because what we're getting ready to do is we're trying to, Okay, so what I want you to do is click on to highlight that.
Oh, yeah.
And do copy and then paste. I want to do a quick backup here. So do copy.
Wait. Oh, okay. Copy.
Copy and then click out of it. Now say paste. Just if the merge doesn't go well, I want to have a copy where you were. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so that's our copy. Now what we're going to attempt to do here is go back to your now, Elijah, you have all your stuff checked in? We did. We checked it all in last.
Yeah, last time.
Yeah, okay,
I haven't done anything on the program since then.
Okay, that's perfect. So go ahead and
I moved a few of the variables around just because they were into the wrong comments, but that was
that should not be a problem. Okay, so go ahead and click on your NetBeans. Just try doing this for your NetBeans environment. And then right mouse button, click on your NetBeans project or your break-in project and say Git. And then say Git commit. So the committing is your local commit.
Okay.
I guess no, there it is. So there's a local commit, so say commit. Just kind of wait for it when you click on it. So did it do it?
I think so.
Okay. Now
it's not loading.
It's what?
It's not loading anymore, so
okay. It did. So then let's now do it and try to push it to the server.
Okay.
Now, so let's try to do a check-in, and it's going to complain, I think. No, do it from NetBeans. I think works just fine.
Okay.
Right mouse button, click on it, choose Get. Then there's one that says repository or remote. Yeah, remote. Do remote push.
Then just keep going.
Yeah, next. User is, you don't know your username password. It's whatever the GitLabs is. It's your email address, I think.
Okay.
And your password in there. Click on save the password when you're done so that it'll automatically do it for you next time. And say okay. It says, what did it say? No good?
It didn't say anything. It just came back.
You got telling you it's the wrong one. It could be another password.
I have a few.
Okay.
Oh.
That was it. Okay, now click on. It says no branch up. Select the branch master. But it says C. There's conflicts, I think. C. Click on that.
Oh, okay.
No. That. Yeah, there. You want to click there. And okay, highlight it, now click on next. And then finished. Remote repository contains commit unmerged into the local branch. Open output to see information. So open output. So the push failed because you need to merge it first, it's saying. So it rejected you. Okay, so what we need to do then and say is right mouse button, click on your project and say get repository remote.
Remote. Yeah.
And then say remote and then say pull. You need to get it from the server to your local machine. Pull.
Okay.
This is actually starting to make sense after you use it a little bit.
Yeah.
Pull from master. Yes, pull from master. Because what you want to do is merge the master to your local.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You're probably gonna see a lot of stuff we did.
Say, wait. Do you want to rebase the current branch into origin master? So yes, rebase it means that you want to move it to. You want to eventually, because you're going to want to. Okay, what's this thing? Local modification working that would result in a checkout conflict. You may revert or review. Okay, review then. I guess double click on that. Now, what does it try and tell you?
It's not loading.
It's not loading?
I mean, like, it's not loading anything else at least.
I know. Okay, I don't know what it's wanting to do about that. Okay.
Maybe master?
Yeah, click on that, yeah. So I don't know. So put the X to that main div class. Oh, that's class anyways, yeah. Why is there even, shouldn't have .class files as part of it anyways.
Yeah.
So say get remote push, I guess. Master, yeah. We gotta do that. We gotta see what it's gonna take here. Yes. Finish. Open output, I guess. I think we might need to use that. I think we might need to use the tortoise tool. So go to your file browser thing.
This?
Yeah. So right mouse button, click on break in. Yeah. And say tortoise gets. Oh wait, go in the inside, I guess. Inside, double click on break in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there you go, master. That's right. Now do get sync. Do that. It's up at the top there. Get sync. I think what this does is it syncs the head to the local branch master does not fast forward to remote branch. Oh, it does not fast forward to move. Okay. Say I don't know. What is the file is complaining about? Okay, so say pull, I guess. Just pull. This is why we had a copy of your, see if we can figure this thing out.
Yeah.
This is where I'm not sure about the workflow on. Is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Git did not exit cleanly. So what? Commit, say commit, I guess. Go down to commit, see what happens. And then just say something, say hello. Oh yeah, all these main.class files. So what we really want to do is not, these are the classes main.class. So we really don't want to have these as part of the repository. So click on cancel.
Okay.
Yeah, cancel. Yes. And then close. And close. Go into master. Go into build. Yeah, build, I guess. Classes. And then main. And then see all these things?
Yeah.
Oh, they're PDF files. Why are they PDF? They're not PDF. What are they? .class files. What are they? Adobe Acrobat. What?
Huh.
They're not. So I do right mouse button click and say properties on one of them. It's a what kind of file is it? This says main. Go up to close this and say there's a view tab on the very top of your window. View.
Yeah. This.
Click on that. Yeah. View. View. File name extension. See that check mark? Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that.
Okay.
See, there's .class files. You should not have those associated with PDF. Okay, so right mouse button click on one of those files. And then say properties. Click on custom or advanced, I guess, maybe advanced button. No, click on cancel. And then customize. Where's file associations? Well, anyway, somehow you have file associated the class files to you can cancel that. You've file associated .class file to Adobe Acrobat. But anyways, highlight all those files. Yeah. Right mouse button click. Say get tortoise get. And say add to ignore list. Add ignore items by extension. That'd be good. You don't ever want class files.
Yeah.
Ignore. Okay, say okay. Okay, and then go back to the SRC break-in directory.
All the way back.
Yeah, you can see it in the list there too, but you can do it that way. Now right there, okay, master break-in, go break-in. And now right mouse button click. And then say get, tortoise get. Oh boy. Why does it not have all the get stuff there? Oh, you don't have highlight. You don't have master highlighted. Now click on there and click on. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
And now do get sync and see what happens.
Okay.
I guess do a poll. Because now I don't think we're going to have the conflicts with the class files because you said you deleted them. Okay, so do commit. Maybe you need to commit your local changes then. This says modified files. I want to do unversioned files. What are the not version files? Go down in that list.
Oh,
What?
there we go.
Yeah, but I want to delete a file in Git. I need to search for that real quick here. Let's see here. Okay, so it just says literally remove it and then do a commit. So why don't you do that? So do a cancel and then do a yes and then do a close.
Oh yeah.
Then do master, go in there where you get the class file again, double click, build, classes, main, highlight those files, delete them, and then go back all the way up to break in. master, break-in master. Okay, now do a commit.
Okay.
There it
Wait,
is. Get
see?
commit to master right there. Get commit to
Oh,
master
okay.
right there. Yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Good. And say removing files or whatever pre-message.
So then commit this.
Yeah. Okay, that was good. Now do a push while you're there.
There we go. Okay.
You okay? Okay, do a pull. Looks like this kind of walks you through what you need to do based on the scenario.
Yeah. While merging.
If conflict in at least one file occurred,
Yep.
this means that you need to resolve it manually. Okay, say okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah. And then say resolve. And then say okay. And we will, okay, and then commit. Let's just do it all the way, even if we have to fix it. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, so is that because you guys added stuff and like?
No, I think it's
Yes.
because of those class files. Once we added stuff, yes. But
Okay.
we're gonna fix it, whatever it is. Okay, go
Okay,
ahead and
so-
do commit master. Now, normally you would not want to commit conflicts. But you see all these .class files and the .properties and the private . So we
Yeah.
want to remove those private. See those other files, those private properties and private XML. We want to delete those
Like
too.
right here.
Yeah.
Wait,
So
so
we're going to do that. NB project private. So we'll do those next. But say commit now.
okay.
Now that we know how to get, say, looks like there's a conflict. Say ignore. Yeah, we'll fix it later.
Okay.
Okay. So and then say, what is that? You just did a commit, right? So
Yes.
then now say push. I'm going to finally be able to push this thing, I think. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Now create a pull request. Right now you can bring your stuff. No, I cancel. Let's just do a regular pull. Well, you have everything actually, so you don't need to do that. Now, double click on master. Go to, where was that private files? As NB project. Yeah, NB project. Private. Highlight those two files. Delete them.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, then go back up and do a commit. Now what I'm doing is all files that are generated should not be part of the check-in.
Okay.
Okay, then put a message in there and then commit. Yeah. And then do a push while you're there. Okay, you can do that. Yeah, do a push. Now that's commit.
Oh.
But do it again, I guess. What is it saying? Not version files, but that's okay. That's fine.
That's not.
You won't be able to do it, so go ahead and hit cancel.
Okay.
Because basically there's no changes. You just did it. But
Yeah.
now do a push, so you can get it synchronized up there. There's push. Yeah. Now I suspect when you get this, we're going to have syntax errors because there's going to be conflict markers.
So create pull request?
No, don't do that. So say close. Now, let's go fix all this stuff in NetBeans now.
Okay.
And then we'll recommit it once we fix it. See, there's all kinds of errors. Okay. See where it says head? Go down where it finds the next marker. Keep going. Where's the other marker? Go on down, I guess.
Right here.
That's it, huh? Oh my. It's saying the whole thing. So go on down. It looks like we want yours, the top one. Yeah, because yours is the one that has all the blocks, right?
Oh yeah, I added all the new blocks.
Yeah, and we didn't do too much that we couldn't do again. Did we do? We didn't do a lot in main, did we? Let's go down a little bit and see if there's anything we did fancy in main.
Yeah, this is okay. Most of this,
Oh,
like,
wait a second. We
guys
might have done something main there. We never did figure that out, did we?
I
No.
have found some stuff about that, but we'll get to that later.
Okay, going down. I don't think that we did anything
menu.
fancy. Yeah. Oh, you did the draw. Is that yours, the draw menu?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, but you've got the one on top that's got all the blocks, right?
like all these.
No, I think okay, so this is two files merged together, one stacked on top of the other.
Yeah.
And the first one has all the blocks. Go up to the very top again. Boy, it did a horrible job merging this. Go on down. Now see all those blocks? Those are all
Yeah.
the fancy ones you put in. So we're gonna take yours. So go to the very top, erase line 1. Okay.
Yeah,
Go on down.
right here.
Yeah, delete, I guess.
There we go.
Okay, go on down. We'll figure out what that problem is then. Keep going down. Find the next marker in the middle somewhere. Oh,
Right here.
right there. So grab that one and all the way down, delete all the way to the end.
Oh. Okay.
Go ahead, go all the way down to the end.
Like the very bottom?
Yeah, very bottom of the file. Because
Wow.
it's just duplicated. Okay, then hit delete.
Seems kind of wrong to do that, but okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, right.
And then go up and start looking at your errors and see what happened.
Yeah, what's all that? Oh,
Okay.
something was wrong with block.
So why is there something wrong at the top?
Because you got to, just click on that red block.
It's not something wrong. That's just a
breakpoint delete. Yeah, breakpoint delete. Breakpoint and then unenable it. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Now you also have block, and block's not been defined. So why? It's a new block. Because you don't have. Oh, because block's got problems too. Okay, so block is where we did work.
Okay.
So go on down to the bottom. You might want to have ours. Boy, this was a horrible merge. Go up a little bit. Now, is this where we did block? Yes, this is where we did block. Okay, so go up into the first part and start delete. Yeah, very top of the file, and then start deleting until you get to the next marker. Down, down, down. Boy, the merge is horrible on this thing.
Yeah. Don't drop it.
Normally it's a little smart. Oh, right there. Yeah. Normally it's a little smarter than that. Delete. Delete another line. Okay, go on down to the last marker.
What's wrong with our stuff? Oh.
Then delete up.
No, just the marker. That right there. Okay, now let's go to hit save on save all. That's okay. We'll get to it.
Right here.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Whatever it is. Let's get rid of the markers. Then go to paddle.java. It's got another issue, right? Does it have an issue? Sure doesn't show it.
Oh, right here. Oh, there it is.
Oh, main.xy. Oh, okay. So let's go to main.
That's the problem. We're using the stuff
we made
from
it
main.
Static. Yeah, we did. We made main. We made X and Y static. So, go on down.
Oh yeah.
No, not that far. Not that far. Yeah.
That's the top. All the variables.
Okay, so say static on line 26. Say static, or scroll down 30. Line 30 and 31 say static float Y. Put the word static in front of it.
See, on mine, I think they're all static.
Static float.
Oh, static float. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then get rid of the initialization there. Don't just say.
Wait. Get rid of
just
what?
put semicolon and get rid of the equals. Put a semicolon there and erase the rest of the line. Yeah,
Like that?
There, yeah. And get rid of the radius plus.
Oh, so get rid of all this?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have to update my stuff to this too now.
No, because you'll be able to merge, and then hopefully merging won't be so bad. Now,
Oh, yeah.
what else did we have here? So click on.
Well, I remember we did actually make pretty much all of those variables static.
I think so too, but let's go over to block.java and see what it's complaining about.
Okay, so got this collision detection.
Yeah, see, that's why we made them all static.
Yeah, but main dot dx and dy. So
Yeah.
let's go over to main. So dx and dy need to be static.
Radius.
Dx and dy right here.
Nope. Yes. So stay static float. Yes. Static space and then static space. And then on radius and diameter, do static space too.
And still take out this stuff or no?
No, leave that alone. That's good.
Okay.
Now click on block again. Let's see what happens with what else block is complaining about. Click save all. That made a lot go away.
Something right here?
Oh, score. You gotta make score static. Go back to main and make score static. Static and score. Well, you might as well make static life score. Same thing.
2 S's is not how you spell static.
Yeah, and they do static life score too.
Oh,
and we can do. We did. We ended up putting static for all of us. Do static life, static paddle X, static paddle Y, static width, static height.
Oh, wait. So for all this too?
Yeah, static. Yeah.
Static is just good.
It's just so static. Okay, then put it for the paddle X, paddle Y, width and Y height as well. I think it was necessary for all that was to see how much more errors we are left with when we're done.
Not for the width and height though, right?
Yeah, probably not the width and height. But yeah, save all. And then go over to block and see what else block is complaining about. Shouldn't be anything really. Okay. Paddle.
Let's go for block.
Let's go for paddle.
About paddle width.
I thought paddle width
right here
was static, wasn't it? Go back to main. Oh, paddle width.
Not paddle X, paddle width.
Paddle width.
Yeah, where's paddle width?
I think that was the one that was in the wrong place. Hold on.
Go down and look for paddle width. No, it won't be there. Did we make a new variable called paddle width? Yeah, I think we did. Okay.
You could do a control find if you can't find it.
Yeah, control F.
Control what?
Well, actually, let's do that. Go over to paddle.java. Double click on paddle width. Right mouse button click. Say find usages. See if it'll show you all. Cannot find this object. You just can't find it. Now do a search for. Right mouse button click. Double click on it. Right mouse button click. Say. Let's see. Well, do Control C or copy. Go down to copy. And then Control F. But that's only a search for file. And then say next, I guess. It's only once, I guess, and it's only in this file. So I think we did paddle width. So let's go to main. If paddle X and paddle Y, so right below paddle Y. Wait, this is the height and the width is.
Isn't this the height and width of the game itself?
I think paddle X. Okay, so actually let's do
one in my file is right underneath score.
Okay, right underneath score, do static int paddle width.
which is really a terrible place, but that's where it is in mine.
Width. Well, it
Oh,
was
there's
actually
no-
small w. It should maybe I don't know. Okay, that's
Okay.
okay. Click on save all. Now, did it have any value?
I don't think so. Let me check. 100.
Yeah, paddle width equals 100.
Yeah, I'll make the paddle the right size.
Say equals 100.
Okay. I think that's all.
Okay, now let's run this thing and see what happened with the merge. This could be crazy. Dun dun dun.
Builds anyway,
What's
right?
this? Uses build properties from another. Yes, build languages. Yeah, could we remove some private files and stuff?
Oh, okay.
So it might take a while for it to generate the files it needs later.
Oh, it's a fast ball, but it's now bouncing. That's what we did.
Look at that.
That looks pretty cool.
Wow.
Move the paddle.
Wait a
Wait,
minute.
so
the ball
what-
started in the right place.
Wait, did it?
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It
Wait,
just
what?
went through. Oh, it must have because it.
Yeah, it's not like stuck at the top.
Wait, what keys am I supposed to press? Oh, hey, and you guys got the score working.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
We did do that.
Yeah.
Move
Nice.
But
Wait,
why
so
is
the paddle.
how do I move the paddle? What keys?
Arrow keys.
arrow keys?
That's not working.
Oh, that's a problem.
Click in the application, and now do the arrow keys. Click and now do arrow. Go ahead.
Wait, the what?
And left and right arrow keys.
Yeah, the arrow keys aren't working.
Okay. So what we need to do, yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it, huh?
It is.
Look at that. It even did a back. It even started bouncing
Yep.
and diving up in there. So look at that. Okay. Do you see how close? Do you see? Look at this. What's going to do? Oh, it did something. And it's also not bouncing off the invisible ones. See?
Yeah.
Oh, it bounced off something. Oh, it's too fast. So let's slow the ball down because that's not even.
Yeah, I can hardly.
It's drawing it. It's drawing and it's not making sense. Okay, so that's in main, I think.
Go down to just below the if statements. Oh wow, that's a lot of blocks.
Yeah. If statements.
Right there, 10. So change it
See,
to
that's-
20.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, change it to 20.
I'll make
Okay,
it
and then
twice
run
as
it.
slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, see where the ball starts too.
Supposed to be full screen. Oh,
Look,
yeah.
look. Now
Yeah.
it starts at the top.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
were right though. It did start where it was.
How did it start in the right place? The first time.
I don't know. That was a defect that we had. But look at it. It's acting like a game. Now, is the left and right arrow working?
No.
Okay, so we do have a problem. So what I'm very curious about now, let's go ahead and push your solution. Let's see if Elijah can get it, see if his arrow's working. We'll see if we busted it. So right mouse button, click on the break-in project, and then say git commit, and then say commit, and then say right mouse button, click, say git push.
On break-in again?
Yeah. Git remote push. Now what you're going to do is you're pushing it to the
Push.
server. Yeah.
Okay.
You're pushing it to the server now. Okay, say next. Say finish. I think you're done. Okay, Elijah, share your screen now. And let's do update yours and see what you get. See, we were waiting for you, Ryan.
Yeah.
We're like, this is him.
No.
They're like, this is the goods. We just need all that work that Ryan did with the menu item and all that other stuff.
What? Why is it showing the Pandora symbol? What? Whatever. Google's being weird. All right. Wait, I don't need to go.
Or you might as well do a refresh on that. Make sure. Okay, it's fine. Let's do a right mouse button, click on the break-in. Say git commit. You got to commit your changes. Okay, just say
Stuff.
okay, commit. Yeah. And then you're going to say git pull so that you can, or sync, I guess, actually, git sync if you got that. That'll sync your local with the thing, so git sync. Where's sync?
I think that was just the tortoise thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think sync was kind of nice. Let's say then let's do a repository pull. A remote pull. Yep.
Oh, good. Save.
Master, yep. Finished. Merge. Let's try merge. Then resolve.
Oh, resolve?
Yeah, sure.
Ah!
Yeah, it's your binary files that it's complaining about. That's why I want to get rid of those.
What do I do?
Say remove file from the index. Resolve. Now, what is this file that's complaining about?
I have no idea.
It's saying, oh, main.java.
Oh dear.
Okay,
Hey,
go to the right tab up there, merge conflict.
this is the thing that makes the thing that does the arrow keys.
Yeah.
I can't do it. This stuff right here. So if you don't have that, Ryan, that's why.
Okay, go to the merge
Okay.
conflict resolver tab.
Wait, don't have menu. Let's go to the top first.
No, no, go to the merge conflict resolver. To the right.
Oh, this.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Now let's go down in the list. I don't know what it's complaining about. So, what file is this? I think this file is main.java. Okay. So let's
main.
Let's say let's click on the right accept. Because you're just gonna accept. You're gonna accept Ryan's right now. Yeah, accept. Okay.
Okay, so I think what happened is when we were doing the merge, I think we accidentally deleted the key listener from my program.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I think I remember seeing it, but then after we exited, like,
Oh, okay.
accidentally took
You want to
that
know what? Go to the left side, and then go to the left one and say accept there. Yeah, accept. Because we're gonna take yours because it's got the key listener, and we'll fix the main for his stuff.
So I'm taking this one.
Yeah, take that one. I'll say okay. Say yes.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Okay, now go down in the list where we had the problem. It's got the key listener in here.
Yes.
Okay, go on down, find out where the error is. Right there.
Oh, we don't have menu. That's like the one problem in main. Wow, that's a very clean.
That's in menu.java, right?
Hey.
Why is it not called draw menu?
Well,
okay, highlight over it, was it? Oh, did we not have, we don't have declared M1 maybe. Oh yeah, we do.
We have a menu up here or something? Or are we supposed to?
Maybe that's what we're missing. So go down where we got the error. And highlight over M1. Yeah, go up a little bit and see if M1 was declared. Go a little bit more. Oh, right here. Right, it's got to be in play probably.
No.
Menu M1, there it is.
What's the problem?
I don't know. Okay, go the line above it. The line after 165 after the semicolon, and hit return.
Insert.
Yeah, enter. Yeah, type M1 dot draw menu. Go ahead, double click. Apology color score. Oh, it didn't have score before. So in width and height, replace that with. Hold on a second. So yeah, put 0 and 10 for width and height. Put 0 there, then 10 for width. And then for color, you can do color dot light gray instead of yellow. So you leave it the way it was. Okay, and then delete the line 167 because we obviously are now passing score to it, right? It didn't meet the requirements before now.
That's cool.
Okay, now save that. I don't see any other errors. Let's see if it runs. Yeah. Oh, you know what? All of the blocks.
Also, the menu is wrong.
Yeah.
Wasn't there.
I think we need to try this again.
Yes, so let's see here. I wonder if we can do a poll over a poll. I think we can. Let's try it.
Oh, that was a mistake.
Okay, well, hold on a second. Copy the key listener stuff. Work.
Yes. Okay, so let's do all this Control C, right?
Yes.
And I'm not doing Control C again until we fix it.
Okay, and now right mouse button, click on the break-in, and say Get, and do a poll again. We don't really mess it up until we do a push. Go ahead.
Pulling it. Master.
Yep. And then merge.
No!
Okay. Then, okay, hold on a second. Then let's try that again and say rebase, because your stuff was checked in, so I'm not afraid of losing it. So do remote poll, I guess. And then click on next. And then on the next question will be next finished, yeah. And then rebase. And then revert.
Ah, there it is.
And then say resolve. And then remove files from the index, yeah. And then resolve.
Now we must choose.
On the right one, choose the except on the right hand side, or wait, which one? One on the left.
Left.
So click on that one. Okay, and then click on OK. Yes. And now go put your key listener in there.
I gotta remember where it went. Hold on. It was up here. Right underneath this, right?
No, it wasn't in the loop, was it?
No.
I think the key listeners were at the bottom, weren't they?
Below all the blocks?
Oh, no, it has to be inside the... Oh, yeah. It'd be kind of nice to know about that.
I should have looked at that.
You know what? I think my... I'm going to open up my project because I think I've still got it. I've still got the version. Let me see where you put the key listener.
What is all this? Wait a minute.
Oh, mine's so old I don't even have key listeners in it.
A lot of blocks.
So it's not when they draw the blocks. So go up and it's got to be in the while loop because it's got to be listening to the key.
Has to be in the while loop.
I think so. I would think that it needs to be right like there. Hit enter and then paste. See what happens.
Right here.
Yeah. Try pasting there.
Oh, that was it. Where does?
Oh, public void undo. Control Z.
New.
Okay, then go down. And then right there where it says class draw panel, okay, right at the very end. Right. No, now before that. Hit enter. One more time. Yeah, right there, paste right there. Oh, it's got to be inside the class. Oh, it's a method in the class. So Control Z. And then go up one curly brace and then paste it.
Here?
One more up. Right there, yeah.
Right in here.
Down, yes, paste. Because it's a method to this class.
Uh-oh.
I think. Oh, but the problem is it's not part of that class. It is a method in the class. So Control Z to undo. And let me see, what do we got here? Key listener is part of what? JPanel or what method? Let's see what methods we got. Go all the way top. We've got, what class is this one? That's main, right? Okay, it's not in main. Go down. Let's see what the next class is. No, keep going down. It's another class. Right there, draw panel. So let's do at the bottom. Go down to the bottom of that. And right, hit the enter after that one. No, down, down. No. That's, yeah, enter. Now right there. I think right there. Yeah, that's right. Now go ahead and over key event. Alt enter. And then add import. Yep.
Hey, what is wrong?
Yeah, you can get rid of the override thing, I guess. I think that will do it.
Hope so.
So see if the key event listeners in there. Go ahead.
Start play.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. No, it's not working.
Key event listeners not there. Okay, then that's
paddle's not moving.
the paddle's not moving. Okay, so go ahead and that's not the right spot, but we got everything
And the
included now.
floor's broken again.
Oh, because we took his solution instead of your solution merge. We'll fix it again. We know what to do.
That wasn't too hard. It's just.
Okay, so copy all that again.
What?
So grab all that again, that public key pressed thing. There and there. No, two more down. Right there, Control X. That's a cut. And then let's go up to the other class. Where can we put this thing? What was it supposed to be? Draw panel extends. Is there another class in here? Paint components. Oh, that was already in there. Okay, so if it's not part of that, it's got to be. I guess after going down, it just doesn't like it. But right on line 136, hit enter. Enter and then paste. Is it part of this class? It was in main.
Hey.
Maybe that's it now. Yeah.
Working now. Wait, hold on. I remember something. What were we supposed to implement somewhere? Right here.
Oh, implements key listener. But
right?
I think
Yeah, I think we did have that.
Yeah, so go ahead and do.
Isn't it after main? So it's like public class main.
Main implements.
Yeah.
Key listener.
Yes.
Capital K. Now right mouse button, click on it. No, hover over it. And Alt Enter. Yeah, that's it. But
What?
you can't have main do that. Oh, so it goes in the other class. Get rid of the implements key listener on that class and put it on the other one.
Which one?
Okay, on that one down, halfway down. Down
This?
more. No, down more. When it says starts with the word class. Down
Oh,
more.
that one.
That. Yeah, JPanel. Oh, that's already extending JPanel. Say if it implements, yeah. Paste.
Oh, I just got rid of it.
Oh. Key listener. Can't do that, I guess. Go ahead. Oh, wait a second. Don't do anything. No, that's right. I think that's right. Go get that. Go get that method that you pasted somewhere else and paste it down in there now. It's basically saying, you're saying it is, so you have to do it. Well, we will as soon as we paste this in. So grab that. Control X right there, yes. And go down there in that class and then do paste down at the very end of that class. Is that the end of the class? No, one more down, I think. I think it's there. Nope, up.
It's here, right?
No, go to the top. Let's just make sure. Now go to the top of the class where it says class. And then right after int x equals 0, hit enter.
After that?
Yeah, after that. Enter, paste.
Please. There.
Is that right? Now go up where it's complaining. The error.
Oh, wait, it's complaining?
Get rid of an extra semicolon. Or we got too many curly braces?
Still not happy about this.
Okay, do Alt Enter.
Come on. Alt Enter does nothing.
Click on it. No, click on hover over draw panel. Hover over it. Okay, implement abstract methods. That's fine. Okay. Now go down and find pressed event.
Right here.
Key pressed. Now see if it put it somewhere else. Oh, is that okay now? Is everything all right?
Maybe.
Maybe there must have been another abstract thing that it had to do. Wait, hover over key press and see what it's complaining about. Oh, add an override. Yeah, that's okay.
Can we do that?
That's good. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. All right, hold on.
Okay, now run it. It still says there's an error. Let's see. Did it go away? No, it went away. Good.
And the paddle's still not moving.
The paddle doesn't move. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, well, it's something like this. We're missing something else. You know what? It was working pretty good on. Now, Ryan, wasn't yours working with the menu working and everything?
Yes. Like it went by hundreds. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So go ahead. Let's do something crazy. Okay. Let's take that key press thing that worked there, and paste it, copy and paste it, and put it in like Notepad or something. So you have it in. Okay. Copy and then open
copy
up
or
Notepad.
cut.
It don't matter at this point.
Copy.
And then open up like Notepad.
Nope.
And Notepad. Okay. And then paste it in there. Okay, so good, we have it. So now let's go back to your,
Notepad's like, what?
Yeah, okay, yeah, it's like, hey, I don't know. Go ahead and do break in. And let's see if we can just synchronize this. Oh, actually, we've probably got more options in the command line. So go ahead and close NetBeans. And then go ahead and do, open up your, yeah, there you are, right there. And let's go into your source. That's your C drive. And then source. And break in. Okay, now right mouse button, click on that. I know.
It has very many problems.
So do tortoise get. And let's see what the options are. No, what I want to do is I want to start over. I want to get it all the way from the beginning. But I think there's a tool here that's called, is there one called revert? Let's do revert.
Ah.
Or actually, let's just, yeah, do cleanup first. Just do a run of cleanup. Cleanup. Remove all, okay, and then okay, then say okay. And then.
What happened?
No, remind me later. Say okay. It's cleaning up. Okay, so right mouse there, it's cleaning up. I don't know what its situation is, but then do a tortoise get, and then let's just try to revert. And then choose, I don't know what it wants to do. Yeah, click on both of those, I guess. And then say okay.
Hey.
Okay, I think that means that it is synchronized with the, let's do a poll from the, now do a, no, you don't have it highlighted. There you go. You still don't have it highlighted. There you go. Tortoise get. Let's do sync. How about sync? Let's do tortoise get sync. I think that'll do a push pull. It's 2 above it. Sync is above the tortoise get menu item, right there. I think that'll do a push pull, and it'll do all this stuff. Okay, so do a pull. Oh, change the branch to no, the bottom one. The remote URL is going to be, do the drop down, far right hand side there. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Remote branch is master. Okay, that's fine. And then say, yeah, so say pull. What is it complaining about? Selected local branch to be the current branch. Oh. Well, I didn't know you had a different branch. You were a different branch. Okay, so say okay. Let's close this.
Okay.
Yeah, let's change your branch to the master, which it says it is, but well, that's the name of it, I guess. Right mouse button click. And let's say get tortoise get. And we want to, I think, rebase it. I think that'll put it on the main. Yeah, rebase. Try it. I think that'll bring it to the main branch. Where's the, do the branch, do the upstream branch. Change the upstream branch there. Yeah. No, change it to the drop down to master, yes. And then say start rebasing. Ah, man, what are we gonna do here? Well,
empty commit message.
okay, so click on okay. Click on the commit message tab.
What?
Yeah, what is it doing? It's all the stinking class files. Really want to do is revert to master. Let me see if I can find the answer here. Revert to master. Let's see what is the steps here. There's a get reset hard. So let's go ahead and click on abort or close it. Yes, and then right mouse button, click get and say if you can see a reset. Nope, I don't think so. I need to stay with Tortoise, right? Okay, so you could do it through the log. That's even easier. So go ahead and do the. Oh, you might be better off just re-getting it. But anyways, right mouse button, click on it, say show log.
Hey, what?
Show log.
Oh. Here.
Yeah, go down and oh yeah, there's the Ryan high. And then click on that. Right click on the top one, the one that's already highlighted. Yeah, right down right there. Yes. And then say reset to this branch. No branch to this. Yes. And then say okay. Oh, do hard. And say okay. Okay. Say okay. Now let's open up your NetBeans and see what it looks like.
I am the Senate.
I am the Congress.
Oh, good for you. Hey. Okay.
Okay.
Is it broken?
I don't know. Close all those files, I guess, or something. Let's run
Close
it.
them all?
Yeah, run it, not just run it.
Yeah, what's that
Get up.
location test?
That is what I did this week.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead
to do
and
with the stupid ball starting in the wrong place. Thinking about it.
Okay.
Well,
okay, we got all this stuff back.
Does not move.
And with it looks like the score is still broken. So we didn't get the score. We didn't. Pedal does not move. Okay, now let's see if we can get the pedal move again.
What can
okay,
we
so
do?
but we can look that up real quick too here. We have to figure out what class to put it in, right? So
yeah. I don't understand why it looks like this thing looks like Pandora. It makes my brain hurt. Ooh. That's what that button does. Nothing else, just sound like a computer.
I think it is on a J panel where you put the key listener thing. Implements key listener. Okay.
Okay. Like here's J panel.
So go over to
Draw panel.
Yes. J panel extends key listener.
Extends key listener?
No, implements. Yeah, I mean implements. I'm sorry. Implements key listener. Implements key listener.
What?
Now, right mouse, yeah, shift, alt shift, whatever, alt enter. And then import. Yes. Yes. Now it's going to do that. Alt enter. And then implement all abstract methods. Now go to the, it already implemented it for you. Go to key listener, go down to, it put it in there for you. So go down and find it. At the end, probably. Oh, key typed, key release, key release. Which one did you do? Typed. Let's open up your notepad and see. It was key pressed. So copy your key press code, go up, or I mean, excuse me, go up. Open up your notepad. Highlight in between the where it says key press, go from switch. Yeah, go down from switch down to that one. No, up one. Down. Right there. Copy that. Control C. And then replace the throw new unexpected. You can delete that for key press. Just delete it. And put a curly brace because you threw one away. Close it the other way.
Close it. Okay.
You threw one away when you did it. Okay, so inside that curly brace, paste what you got. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, okay, yeah. Now let's see what happens. Now, do we have paddle X and paddle Y? Are they static and all that? Yes, they are. Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay, so run that now and see if that fixed it. Nope. It didn't do it, did it? Right? Are you muted?
Hi, can you not hear me?
Yeah, you were not. I couldn't hear you. Let's see. What else we got here? Let's see.
I can't move the pedal. Yeah.
It's e dot key event. Let me see here. Oh, do you have event key event and key listener up at the top? Go into the include up to the very top. And you have key event and key listener. Yes, you got those two. That's good. And see, string tester, no, key events. There's a key event, key type. That's all there is to it, I think. Oh, did you have to do an add key listener?
Maybe.
I think you do.
Remember.
Yes, you do. So, let's try it. I think that's all you needed, actually. So go up to the top of this class.
Of this class.
Yeah, of this class here. The J panel, yes. Where could we put this? Go on down. Looking for another method. You can collapse that method if you want. See that little minus to the left of it? 199, click on the minus. No, that was the wrong one. Open it, no, 199. Oh, click on the plus then. You've collapsed it.
Oh.
Click on 199. Yeah, 199. Key pressed, key. Where did we add the key listener? Let's do it in main. Let's see if we can get away with it there. When we first start, up there before we do that main. So go down after all the variables. And right before block and say add key listener. Add capital key, capital listener. Capital key, capital listener. and the parameter it takes to have parentheses, say this. And then semicolon. Will it take it? No, what did we do? Do Alt Enter and see what it says. No. So it's not. So Control X, delete that. Okay, go on down and let's put it in there, our key listener method. Seems like the wrong place to put it, but I just wanted to get it functioning right. So you can click on the plus next to the 119 lines.
Here?
Yeah, and right after first line of paint component. Enter. Well, no, after the curly brace. Okay, paste. See if it likes that.
Not complaining.
It's not complaining. So let's click on run and see if that's what it took. I don't think that's the right spot for it though.
Nope.
Huh? No?
Working.
Okay.
No.
Well, interesting. Let's do something else. Let's go over to our repository in our browser. And let's take a look at master, but click on history. Actually, no, go. Actually go over. No, not there. Click on the main. See main, where's source main? Yeah, click on that. Go in there and find that file, and then go main.java because that's what we're interested in. Yeah. Okay, now if we look there, it's not going to have the key listener in it. So go down and look. No key listener, right? Okay, let's see if we can go back to version and look. So just go up. See if there's a way to say select a different version. Hold on a second. Say history. To the right. Far right. Far right. There it is. History.
About what?
Then why don't you see? Click on browse file on the third one that has your name by it. That one. Browse that file. Now.
Oh yes, this should be the one.
Okay, so find out where it is.
Right here. Formula is under the if statements.
Okay, so it is. There's int key type.
Oh, what happened?
So hold on a second. That's okay. We're just going to move it.
Why
oh, actually, you what? Yeah. So let's.
Oh, there's just these two. Okay, this is what we want.
Okay, so it isn't JPanel extends key listener. That's our first mistake. So let's go back to your code. Okay, and delete that right there. And then go over and delete all of those. Delete this thing, the key listener of this thing. Delete it. Okay, and go down to one of those implemented methods and just delete them. Do you have it in Notepad?
Yeah.
Okay, get those overrides and delete that. That doesn't go there. Right there. Okay. Now go to the top and let's go back to the browser and make sure the implements is on the main. No, that's on the class, remember?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so copy that. There you go. Copy. Control C. Yeah. Okay, and then go over to your code and go to main. Paste. Right mouse button or Alt Enter. Yes. Implement all abstract methods. Now go on down to the abstracted implemented version we want, which is, go on down. Yeah, apparently, oh, there you go, override that there. Take the stuff in Notepad and replace it with key pressed, right? Control C. Oh, you had it already. Okay, Control C. Okay, go over to there and delete the unsupported line, wherever that one, delete it. Okay, now run it and see if that happens to be enough. If not, we'll look for more, okay?
No. What?
No, it does not work. Okay, so let's go to the browser, see what else we're missing. I think there's a add key listener to this somewhere. So search for the word add key. Key, K-E-Y.
What, huh?
No, one word. There it is. This is
Oh.
it. In play, you got to do frame.add key listener this. So go find play and put it into there. That was the missing link. Enter. And I bet you it works now.
These. Yay. Should have said please earlier.
Yeah, I know. I thought you did full. I thought you did full screen.
That was in my version. Hold on. I gotta go figure out.
Now the score's all messed up, but I think we can fix that real quick.
I remember getting it from somewhere. Hold on. That is not it.
Go down to the answers.
I gotta figure out which one of these was.
Dude,
this is it.
Here, copy all
this
four
is the
of
one.
those. Copy all four of those. Copy Control C.
That first one's the one I used, I think.
Yeah, and then go down right there after add key listener paste. There you go.
Oh, let me fix that.
Let's see what.
My brain.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh. What? I'm not.
Okay, let's
keep going. Oh.
Okay, run it.
It's up here.
What's up here? Oh. So maximize both, set resizable false, I guess, pack. Oh, get rid of the set visible and pack. Click on stop, or I guess, and then okay, there you go. Run that.
Hey, there it goes.
Okay, so let's do this. Now let's see if we can fix that score again. That was pretty. Well, what we did there is we got rid of where the score currently is. And problem is I think our score was working, but I think that
we got rid of it.
Just get rid of the invisible, get score plus plus. Just delete that, and I think it's going to start working because I think that it's working in the other merged solution. So let's try it running it. I think it was adding and doing twice the score. The old way we did it plus the new way. So click on run. I bet it'll start working.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we had a problem with. Why is it not bouncing off the menu? I thought we fixed that in Ryan's solution a long time ago. Oh, so we've got a death thing that now needs to go away, right?
What do you mean?
The life counter needs to go down and needs to start over, but we haven't figured out how to make the ball.
Do you want to see what I did in location test?
Okay, yes.
This is about where the ball starts. So this was a simulation program. Wait, let me
Okay.
get this. So we run location test here. There's the ball.
Yes.
It acts crazy. Okay. And here's what I've got it doing. As I've just taken all the same variables. Oh, that went way fast. All the same variables.
Uh-huh.
And I'm really just doing the same thing.
You stripped it down.
I basically just I just went step by step and did it, and we got basically the same stuff. But
Let's
look
see
at this.
Okay, go ahead.
I gotta show you something. It's crazy. If we take this whole while loop, right, and this is what makes it move, right?
Yeah.
Take this whole while loop, comment it out, right? Watch this. Never mind, worked last time. Hold on.
No, it's because you probably comment out too much. Oh, you got.
Let me undo that.
Okay, let's see.
Just want the while loop.
Okay. You got to keep going down then, I guess.
Oh, this. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
That should be it, right? Okay. So coming up that.
One more up, I think. No, that might be it, actually.
So if we run, ball stays put, of course, but the ball's where I put it.
Uh-huh.
So look, this is now working. Remember what we tried to change this?
Okay.
So now I can. Now if I change it to like or 400, right?
Yeah.
Fill this one. Do it again. Let it think about it. Now it's putting out that ball's at 400.
Uh-huh.
So there's the problem is somewhere in that while loop.
Okay, let's go take a look at it in the real program then for a little closer.
I'm just gonna uncomment all that real quick. And yes. But yeah, also if you get rid of some of the if statements, it does weird things too, but that's what all this is about, this whole comment. So there's I don't know what the problem is. I just know it's in the while loop.
Oh, that's part of the debugging process. So that's pretty cool. Let's go find that. Let's go find the while loop in the main program.
Okay. So something in here is making it so that our variable is not changing it at all.
I wonder if, let me see. So X. Okay, so.
When the world's left of object.
Well, remember we did the main dot, but we know that those are main dots, right?
Yeah, these should all be
main dot X, main dot X, main dot Y. We specifically were saying that so that it would.
All that's in block though.
Yeah, I know, but in that if statement we were doing it, or that while statement that you were concerned about in main. You got too many main.javas open. I think you better start closing some files because I don't make sure we know which one.
This isn't another main. This is a whole nother.
No, you got two main.javas open. I don't know which one's what.
I do?
Yeah. Oh, the other one says menu. I'm sorry. Okay, menu. Okay, main.
This is a main. I don't know what left of object is. One help.
Yeah, what is it? So let's see. Let's put a break statement. Let's go up since we're interested in this. Go up a couple lines inside the while loop. Put it on the x equals x plus dy. Now the problem is.
Or a breakpoint, right?
Oh, the problem is actually. I think the problem is that we have a thread that's running around and updating these. What is this method in? Or what is this? This is in a method? Let's go up and see what the method is. This is in play. Okay, yeah. Put a breakpoint right there at 163, I guess. 163. You can double click on. There you go. There you go. Now let's run it. See what happens.
Oh, that's not wrong. Whoa! What? Why is there so much cluster detected? Oh boy.
You know, we have this break here, and it's not even doing it.
It's not even breaking.
Yeah, it's not even breaking there. Oh, because you're not running debug.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you gotta run the next one over there. There you go. Okay, now it says X. You can delete one of those X's. So go ahead and right mouse button, click on one of those X's, and then delete. Now the problem is here. See, we have 0 and 0 for values.
Why? It should be two. It should be. What if we said it was up here, right?
You would think. Well, say
Nothing.
static float. Well, say
Well, they are
static
0.
float. Yeah, they are 0 now. So say static float equals 500, and do the same thing for the other one. And then say stop, and then run it again. Debug.
Oh, 500. So it's
Okay,
this.
well, yeah, that's good. Well, that's good. Say click on run or step.
Oh yes, where's that? Right here.
Yeah, well, see that step over? No. What's the first one? No, step over. Yeah, step over. Yeah. Go ahead. Or is there a continue? Yeah, say run.
503.
Okay, now let's go take a look at the game.
Huh?
It did
Why is
start
it
there.
here?
Yeah, I think it did start there now.
We'll start there because we said for it to start there and we stopped it right here.
Yeah, but see, it didn't hit any blocks.
That's true.
Okay, so click on close, stop that, and then run it normally and see. Hit run normal run. Ah, why did it do that?
It's something within the loop, I think. I mean,
Okay, click on debug, run, and
let's
it
look
gets
at it.
there, and now go look at the game.
Yeah, it's starting here. So
Okay.
up to that point, with the whole program, without this, this will start it in the right place. It's just something in here changes where it starts for some reason.
I don't know, but let's click on run again. That one. Run. Click on it, or let's do our variables.
Still going.
I know. Do it. No, it's not stopped. Click on the variables down at the bottom. Here it says variables. Okay, 503. That's correct. Click on run. 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 Run.
Going up by threes.
Run. Keep doing it. Step by step. Let's see if we can do a conditional breakpoint.
Okay.
Right mouse button, click on X. No, up in the code. And do breakpoint. Is there a breakpoint in the list?
Toggle line breakpoint.
Okay, sure, do that now. Let's get it off there for a second. Now let's do our right mouse button.
Get rid of the breakpoint.
No, I don't want it. No, it's fine. No, that's where the program counter is. That's fine. Now right mouse button, click on X. I want to do a break if.
Break if. Wow.
That might be an advanced debugging option that's not available. in this IDE. But double click on the 163 to start add another breakpoint. So go over to the between the ones in there, between the number ones, between 162, 164.
Yes.
Between the ones. Double click. Okay, there, one click, I guess. Now click on that red part, like click on the breakpoint itself. Yeah, that one. Nope, click again. Guess we're toggling on and off, yes. Okay, let's put it on then. Right mouse button, click on it, on the breakpoint. Say breakpoint for properties. Now here are conditions. So I say condition and say do the drop down. Okay, then say okay, do capital X equal 0. Say, or actually say X, how about X less than 300? Let's just make sure it works, okay? Okay, now here, okay. Run. Yep.
Stop it.
Let's now watch the game. Did it stop?
It stopped.
Yeah, I think it did. Now go back to the thing. I think it's, yeah, look, you did. Go back to the IDE. Look at the X values. It's less than 300, right?
Right, that makes sense.
Okay, now, what I want you to do is right mouse button, click on the properties. Why is it working in debug mode, but it's not working in run? You know what I'm saying? So do properties and then say when X conditions X equals 0 or less than 10. How about that? So we'll know when it's getting close to it. What do you think about these conditional breakpoints?
That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. Okay. Click on OK, and then click on Run. It should run until that becomes an issue. Watch the game, I guess.
Might take a little bit.
It might.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Did you see that?
I did, because you
That's
originally
not right.
No, because you originally had the width. It didn't catch the resize. It took the original width and never updated it.
Oh wait, so it's like hitting the border of like
Of where it started, and then we screen maxed it, but it didn't update that. And that's okay.
So
that's
I hold
another
it like
issue.
this.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Well,
Is it gonna bounce off the wall? Want to see? Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Okay. So, so it never if you run debug, let's take the breakpoint out and just run it debug and see if it fails. Okay, run debug. Play the game. It does. It fails on debug. Why, when it first starts, it's up there? But we do debug.
Well, it's because something in the while loop is for some reason taken out, messing up where it starts at the beginning. But that doesn't. Why would the while loop do that?
Well, no, it's obviously enough to move it a little bit and then hit a block.
That's cool. Okay.
Wow. I don't think it's this. I don't think it's this that's starting in the wrong spot. Do the draw ball.
Draw what?
Get to the point where we draw the ball.
Oh, let's way down here. Whoa, here. This is.
Okay. Just for debugging purposes, the line just before the ellipse there. Yeah, right there. Say x equals 500, y equals 500. Now, of course, I don't expect the ball to move now, but right, if we run this, We expect it to be a 500, 500, and no matter what the update is, it's going to draw it there. Just want to make sure we have control over that. Okay, so there we go. All right, so go ahead and close that. We do know that those variables are, why don't we say, I know what we need to do. Let's see. Go ahead and get rid of those two lines. And let's see if we can do a conditional breakpoint on the ellipse line. Do a breakpoint on the ellipse line. And then say conditional breakpoint. And say when x is less than 10. Go ahead. We know it's not supposed to start it there.
Excuse me.
So go ahead and click OK. And then debug run. Oh, come on. It's already a less than, isn't it? It's always less than. Why is it not breaking there? Why is it still running?
You don't.
Go ahead and go to the kill that.
Why is it not? Oh, we didn't add that. Okay, I can put that
We didn't add what?
this thing where it says where X and Y is. So.
Oh, yeah. Okay, then let's do a different approach here. Go get rid of that breakpoint because maybe it can't watch it because it's a parameter. But just before that line, let's see if we can just put on the next line.
Right here?
No, on the next line after line 244. Enter a new line. No, between the two. The line after that. That's what I want. Between those. Yeah, there you go. Just say X, capital X, and then semicolon. That's a statement that does. Okay, say X equals X then. Okay, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but it works. Now let's see if we can put a breakpoint on that.
X equals X?
Yeah, put a breakpoint on it. Okay, and now it's conditional. Say when X is less than. Sure. I wonder if it had a hard time. Okay, debug. That's X is less than 10 now. Why is it not catching that? I don't get that part. That does not make any sense because X is less than 10 way up there. Go ahead and close that. There's got to be something else that's actually running the show and we just don't know it. You know what? We create a new each time, don't we? That is the ball, right? There is not
This is
two.
the ball.
Okay, delete the X equals X thing. Wait, what are we drawing here? You know what? Oh, wait, let's go up a second. Let's go up a couple lines. Let me see what this is in. Is this in a while loop?
No.
It's in paint component, though.
Draw panel. Okay, yeah.
Let's try something else with the ball. Copy the ellipse line. Actually, Control X. And then go up to the top a little bit. Go up some more lines. And before you get into the public void, right below X, and see if you can paste it. Okay.
Get rid of this
Then-
breakpoint.
Yeah, get rid of that breakpoint. Yeah. Now, just below that, say. Okay, run that. I think the ball will not move there either. Run that.
There it is. It's where we're saying it's supposed to be. 500,
Yes.
500.
Okay. Now, close that. And then inside where the ball used to be, right graphic or whatever.
Lost it. There you go. Where is it? Here we are.
Okay. Let's see if we can say ball dot.
Right here?
Yeah, say ball dot. Ball dot X.
The different X.
Yeah, that's the X of the ball. Oh, but we need to delete the ball. Oh, this will leave a trail. I think it will, but say ball X equals capital X. Semicolon. And then say ball Y equals capital Y. But I think this will leave a trail. Let's at least run it and see if it starts. If it starts in the right spot and leaves a trail. No. So it started in the wrong spot.
Although it's bouncing off the right wall now.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Okay, so so let's close this again. Let's see. That's so when we updated the ball position there, it redid it. So it really does. Let's actually move it. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe the graphic 2D thing is getting this up. So get those two lines. Take those two ball lines and do the ball lines there. Control X, and then go all the way up to the beginning of the repaint thing. Paint component. Put it first in the line.
Right here.
Yeah, the very first, right there. Yes. Let's see what happens there. Nope. Sure is interesting how it works, though. Boy, that X in that context is a problem. Okay, so let's try something else here. Let's close this. I do think that somehow Paint is resetting that stinking X and Y. And I don't get that. Okay, then let's do this. Let's make another method. Right about this, right above 229. 229. Say void.
Right up.
Yeah, right now down, right there, enter. Say public void. Yep, public void. Say update ball. Then open parenthesis. Say int x, comma, int y. Parentheses. You're not curly braces. Right, okay. I need to take parameters. No parameters. Right after the word update ball,
Oh,
use
parentheses.
open and close parentheses. And then put int x, comma, int y. Do small letters. Small x, yeah. I want them to be definitely different. Int y. Now what you're going to do is down in the sentence, down in the area, you're going to say ball.x equals x and ball.y equals y. Equals x. Yes. Oh yeah, you don't need parameters then, I guess. Yeah, great. Yeah, get rid of that. You're right, you don't need the parameters, so get rid of the int x and y and the parameters. And now down where you have x and y, oh, you have to have curly braces or the open close parentheses. Yeah. Okay, so go down in the paint object, paint component there, and replace the ball x, ball y with update ball. I gotta do open and close frame. There you go. Now let's see if it had something to do with being inside of paint. Okay? It's not inside paint anymore. Run. This is a really crazy problem. Nope, it had nothing to do with being inside paint. That is nuts.
This ball is just determined to not do what we want it to.
I know. So let's close this again. Now there is we could work on something else too, if not, but X, what the heck? We know we're that's crazy. Okay, let's pick on another problem tonight. It's okay if we have update ball there, that's fine.
Is it still bouncing off the menu?
Hmm.
Or is that no?
It is starting to, oh yeah, we had that. It's not bouncing off the menu. So let's get to where it recognizes the menu. I thought we'd solved that once, right? Didn't we solve that once?
And all we gotta do is the same thing that we did with the blocks, right?
Yeah, you see, you treat it like a menu. Didn't we have menu collision? Yeah, I think we already have menu collision. So go to menu.
I'm in menu.
And there's a collision detected, right?
Yeah.
And then what we need to do is, that's where we need to update. We need to have it bounce off of the, yeah, go to main. Well, go to block, because that's where we had the deflection, right?
Let's see
So
which one is
copy
bottom.
that, copy those four things.
All
Those
four
four
of them?
ifs. Yeah, sure. I don't think we'll ever get yeah, the above visible. Above visible. Above like 43. I'll include 43 right there.
Oh.
Control C for copy. And then go to menu, and then in the collision detected here, replace that. Yeah, paste. Now, now let me see. It won't be block. It's going to be menu height or menu width. Oh, wait. This is we don't need to worry about Y's. So, oh yes, Y is the only one we got to worry about actually, up and down, not left and right. So let's get rid of the X's, the two X conditions down at the bottom.
These two.
Yeah, these two. Yeah, get rid of those because we don't even consider that direction. And then we got to look at this one. Which one is for the bottom of the square? So that would be if main is less than. No, it'd be greater than, because remember 0 is top left hand corner. So get rid of the first if statement. No, the if visible thing. Only the if one if statement. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay, get rid of the curly brace too.
Happened to collision detected.
What's that? Because you have an extra curly brace after visible true. On line 34, 31. Get rid of that curly, yes. There you go. Now it's not. Now it's not blocked out Y. What it is it's menu dot height.
Wait, height.
Wait a second. Wait. If main dot Y is greater than. Oh, this is actually if it's greater than.
Shouldn't it be main dot Y?
Actually, it's just one direction. So actually, get rid of the if statement. It's the main dot dx equals main wherever. Just delete that if statement. Yeah, the whole line. Get rid of the curly braces around that other stuff and get that one. I think it just will work like that because that's all we need. It's always going to have the same behavior, right? It's going to hit the bottom. Let's run it and see if that works.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So now it's bouncing off the menu. It's also bouncing off the bottom. So the problem is that if it ever if the center of the ball ever gets lower than the top of ever gets below of the, I guess if it ever gets below the top of the paddle, that's a life gone. Okay? So let's do that.
That might have gotten. I had something for that, but that might have. Yeah, I think it went away. All right, so we're gonna have to start over with that.
So you could say if ball location Y.
What on earth?
Yeah. Okay.
Ryan, did you do this?
I don't remember if I did.
Delete it. Delete that.
If it was a long time ago.
Okay. Say if Y.
This is in the while loop, right?
Yeah, in a while loop.
If
Y is greater than paddle.xy, right?
paddle X.
Paddle.x, yes.
Paddle X.
Paddle X. Yes, paddle X.
Paddle Y.
No, paddle Y. I mean, paddle Y. I think that'll work. Then curly brace, you gotta do curly braces things here. And then you'll say lives equal, what is it, lives? What do you call it? Life counter? What was it called?
Isn't it like just life?
No, let's go to the top, see how it was declared. Yeah, life. Okay, it'd be main.life.
I'm in main. Shouldn't need that.
Yeah, so say life.
Where'd it go? Oh, yeah.
Say life minus. Semicolon. And then you could say break.
Break?
Well, we're going to have to say, let's do, let's just do it for now. Let's just leave it going, okay? Go ahead and not do that. So let's just see if it makes the minus the life counter go away if you miss the ball.
Okay, we gotta let it escape.
Oh, look at that. The life counter is, woo, Diane! That's not good. So we got some bad math there, right? So let's look in there. So it isn't that if Y is greater than, it's if Y is.
Maybe.
Well, that doesn't make sense because 0, 0 is top left hand corner. But let's run it because we were expecting a different result here. Then we can think about it later.
Why does it have 2?
Well, because apparently it started out as something bad.
So is it?
Oh no, because it did it once. Nope. So we get the bad thing here. This is all bad. Okay, so kill that. So I think Paddle Y might actually be the width of the paddle, or the height, or the width of the paddle, not the paddle's location. So let's go take a look at paddle. I think it is actually. Go ahead and go down. Oh, this is going to be in main where we declare all the paddle. Oh, there's paddled. Let's go up to the top of the main. I guess we see all the paddle stuff. Is this where all paddle stuff is? No, go to paddle. Oh, there it is. Paddle X, paddle Y. There we go. So this is actually the location of the paddle, not. This is the location of the paddle, not. But it is, isn't it? How does it know to start at the bottom?
How does it know?
Let's go into paddle and take a closer look. So paddle width, it draws a rectangle basically at X and X, Y, right? So let's see how we do draw panel in main. So do draw panel. Paddle, I mean draw paddle. Was it after blocks? There it is, draw paddle. So what we do is we say paddle is
height minus 50.
Height minus 50. So let's for now copy height minus 50. And let's go where we have that if statement. And say if y is greater than height minus 50. Okay, I bet you that'll work.
We're at 1 life.
You've already lost. Let's see what happens when it gets down there.
It worked.
Yeah,
why do we start with 1 life?
I don't know. And it also went down every time it drew instead of just once. Right?
Yep. Yeah, we only want it to happen once.
We only have it once, yeah. So every time
We have negative 81 lives. We owe the game lives.
Yeah. Well, anyways, it's getting near the end, but this is, I think we could work on making it where we lose. What you'd really like to do is have it stop and say, okay, sorry, do you want to start again? And then you start again. But we really can't do that unless we can control the ball.
Insert coin into the CD slot to keep playing.
Well, we got it to bounce off the top menu, and we got it to, you see how the paddle, it bounces off the blocks. It's got all of Ryan's blocks now.
Yeah, it's coming together very well.
I think it's nice that it bounces off the blocks, but the world, are we going to make it start?
I don't know, but maybe by when the ball is in a bad location, you say start over, and then you ask for it to start a new position might be the key to figuring out how to make the ball start in the right spot. But yeah, the negative loss. So as soon as it detects
it, hey, it bounced off the side of my paddle.
It didn't. Oh,
no, it did that time. I don't care. Shoot.
So yeah, but it would already have dropped a life, and it would have told you.
Getting spilled. I want to do the sides too now. Hold on, give me that. Give me it. Really? I'm gonna make this out. I'm gonna make sure because it looked like it went right through the side again.
It went underneath. When we didn't handle any kind of collision on the bottom side of the panel. So
I know, but I thought I saw it go right through the side. I know we've handled the collision there. I don't know. See?
Yeah, I don't know. You'd have to do slow motion. Make sure. But anyways, so let's continue from here. I suggest that. Oh yeah, let's see if we can push your solution. Let's do a check-in. So we got this. So do a right mouse button click. Git commit. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on a second. You got main.class and that git ignore. So wait, go down in your list there. Is that all there is?
Why are there 2 mains?
Okay. There's menu. Okay, so go ahead and click cancel. And we got to get rid of that get, ignore, and main.class. So open up your file.
Oh
Yeah,
yes, there are problems.
master. Build classes, main,
Yeah.
and then right mouse and then highlight. Okay. Oh, a second. Yeah, and then delete.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I said rotten egg. All right, you're dead.
Get the other two that got check marks. I can delete those too. No, classes.
Oh wow, so we want to get rid of the good ones?
Yeah, because the next time you build them, they will be a problem. It'll be a problem for Orion.
Get rid of this. Why can't I
no,
get rid of it?
No, because just hit the delete key.
This one?
Yeah. And then paddle.
Oh, you can just touch delete. All right.
Okay, and then go back out. Go. And what? Okay,
Why
keep
is
going
it
back.
freaking out? There. No.
Okay, and then get the text document there. Yeah, click on that and delete it. Okay, and NB project. Double click on that. Private. Okay, that's good. Go back. I think this will be a little cleaner. Go back again. Okay, and then right mouse button click and say commit. Git commit. And you can say, I don't know. That's good. Commit.
Right.
Yes. Oh, no, do a branch. Highlight branch. Base on, and then click branch. And then click drop down. And then say master. And then say okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Go ahead and click on cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel again. Right mouse button, click on the master. And then say rebase, I guess. Now how you get back to rebase, yes. To, that's not exactly what I'm thinking. Close that. Now when you just say commit, what is it telling you?
Things, and I say commit.
Okay, yeah.
For once.
Wait, current head is detached. Are you working on a branch? No branch? Do you want to create a branch? I'll say no. That's where I made a mistake. Say no. And then push.
Success. Push.
And say okay. Yes.
No. It did not do it.
Okay, say push.
Right.
And then go ahead. No, don't. Yeah, say no. And do the drop down local and remote. Change those to master and master. There you go. Now say it. Okay. About fast forwards and git push help for details. Git did not exit cleanly. Okay, then do pull. If you got to merge and then push. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay, then say, I don't know, pull diff. Let's see if that's a suggestion thing. Oh, it's saying so you can look at the differences. Go ahead and close, and now see if you can push.
Push.
Yeah. Oh, create that. No, don't create a branch. There you go. Master. Okay. I don't know. Let's try poll again, I guess. I did like that. And now do the drop down instead of pull diff. Push. Maybe we're just picking the wrong things here. Do push all branches. Do that check mark up there. And then, okay, try that.
Really?
Yes. I don't know what to say. I'll have to work on this next time. Okay. Well,